Hey everybody, it's Neil and I'm going to show you what we got here. We got a kitchen faucet and this is what the instructions look like. It's super, these are really, they've gotten so easy to just assemble, but I'll show you what we got here. We have a black faucet. Let's put this down. Okay, so this is the faucet here. So it'll be like this. So this is it here. Which one is that? That's the right. So it'll be like that. So you have a pull-out faucet, so you can pull this out and use your sprayer. You have a little button here. I'm assuming it's going to be just a different like pause or something like that for them spraying. We'll have this here to do the turn on and off. I'm not sure what this is. I guess that's going to be like a breaker valve maybe for it. So. I'm gonna look up and see what that is. I'll let you know here in a second. So, but we'll try to assemble this. I'll be right back. And I'll figure it out. Okay, this is the glass cleaner. So, you know, like when you want to rinse out a glass, you can turn it upside down on here, and as you push it, it'll spray. It's got a little valve on here, and that's what it is. The spray comes out of there, and will shoot up inside your glass, and then it will drain like there back into your sink. So if you have your sink facing this way, you can have your drain wherever you want facing. So it'll drain back out there. So you just push it down and it'll fill up in the glass, clean out a little jar or something like that. Those are nice for some of those tiny little jars that we have. We can't ever get to the inside of it. This will help us spray inside of it. And then we have our spray here, which will be there. And then these just hook up to your regular, screw-in valves that you have just underneath your sink anyway. So super easy concept, something simple to install, and it's nice and black and looks good. So this will come in handy for sure. Thumbs up on this sprayer faucet.